In this video, we are going to learn how to send Bitcoin from your smartphone wallet using a very simple and friendly wallet app called Bread. On your phone screen, tap on the Breadwallet icon to run the application. Enter your PIN code to access the app. Straight away, you can see a history of all payments and receipts. At the bottom, there is a simple navigation bar with 3 icons on it. Click the one that says Send. A small pop-up screen opens for you to enter the details of the payment that you're about to make. You would need to enter the Bitcoin address to which you wish to make the payment. Bitcoin addresses are made up of a long string of characters, so for your convenience, you are given the option to scan a QR code of the address. Tap the scan button and point your phone at the QR code you wish to scan. And there you go. The code has been scanned and placed in the To field of your app. Now enter the amount you wish to pay. By tapping this button, you can change the currency in which your Bitcoin payment is calculated. You can decrease the transaction fee by accepting a longer processing speed. Tap this icon to see your options. Tap on Economy to reduce the fee. I'm going to go back and select Regular for this transfer. In the Memo field, enter whatever you wish. When you are ready to make the payment, simply tap on Send. This confirmation pop-up appears. Check that everything is correct, because once a Bitcoin transfer has been made, it is literally impossible to ever reverse it. Click Send. Now enter your PIN code and the transfer has been made. Once the transfer has been made, you will be taken straight to the history screen and will see your recent transfer at the top.